Hey y'all, this is Dakota with Holman's Outdoor Solutions LLC here. I'm based out of Leesville, South Carolina. I'm in Newberry right now doing a 10-acre tract. You'll see some drone footage of it later on. All right, so I have here the Gyro-Trac 500 HF. It's a great head. Travis down at Sperry & Kennedy and Scranton tuned this for me. Excellent job of doing that. I'm using my Cat 289 D3. It's the high flow XPS, great machine. Call that Cat and Columbia sold it to me. We're using this to mulch this clear cut. The customer has, or had, lots of slash everywhere. You can actually see it out there, what I haven't gotten to yet. And we're just mulching everything, getting it busted up really fine. So after we finish up here, the customer is gonna maintain it his own self, use weed killer to spray it because stuff will grow back. That's the nature of like sweet gum and some species of oak. It's going to be very maintainable. It's going to be smooth for the most part out here. It's going to be nothing like it was before. So the production of this head is usually an acre to an acre and a quarter. Depends on what you're mulching. If you're in really heavy material, this combo that I have here, I can get an acre and a half in a day, 8-hour day, sometimes even 6 hours. So if you're in the Midlands, I'm based out of Leesville, anywhere around Lexington County, Saluda County, Newberry, Aiken. So I've traveled an hour and a half out sometimes. If you have any mulching work, clearing with an excavator, rough grading, I even do demo. I have social media on all platforms, Instagram, I have a YouTube channel, Facebook. You can also visit my website at holmansoutdoorsolutions.com. Shout out Gyro-Trac. They've helped me a lot. Anytime I call them up, they got me covered. And these groovy teeth, y'all need to try these things out, because my last set I got 80 hours, I believe it was, and never touched them. That's remarkable.